Yeah, that's right. You messed up. You told me that you wanted to buy this thing. You were on your way to come and get it and you didn't show. So this video is for you, and here we are gonna cut this truck in half. I am not joking. We're taking the cab back off this Isuzu dually and we are unrat rodding this thing. This is, well, we'll call it part 7 of our video series where we built this truck for Rat Stock 2024, and now we're gonna unbuild it and we're gonna use some of these parts for something else, and the chassis is going up the river. So anyway, yeah, it's all because of you. You didn't show up.
Well, if you haven't seen it already here on the channel, this is the rat rod that my sons and I built together along with the help of my dad, and we competed in the Rat Rod Magazine build-off competition in Illinois. We had a great time putting this thing together. We really enjoyed having it as a family, and now the time has come for us to move on to the next future project. And so, like I said earlier, we had lots of people showing interest in this and buying it from us, but nobody actually pulled the trigger and showed up with cash and a trailer. And so we're gonna do the next best thing and just relive some of these memories with you guys as we disassemble this project, because we're going to be using a lot of these parts and pieces on future builds and future projects instead. So it's a little bit bittersweet for us to kind of take this thing back apart again, but you know, that's really what hot rodding and rat rodding is all about, is reusing and repurposing things all the time. And so, yeah, don't worry, you will see parts of this project again in the future. We had a fantastic time doing this, and this is a little bit of a love letter to Lester the project. Yeah. Nice. Well done.
There we go.
Look at all that mud.
Yeah. All right. I'm alright if you guys are.
I'm okay if you are. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna rest it for just a second and just go around the wheel, okay?
Yep.
You guys alright?
Yep.
Nice.
Let's walk.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to rest it here.
Okay.
And walk around.
Okay. Alright. Dude, this is great.
Lighter than I remember.
Right. Set it down right in the dog food. Yep.
Hey, there you go. So, yeah, that's pretty awesome. I don't know how my wife is gonna feel about a cab sitting up against the house, you know, in all the plants and bushes and rocks, but we did it. There's our bare chassis. Engine and trans are still good. Sounds like we've traded that with a friend of ours for a chassis of his that he's gonna give to us, and we're gonna do some swapping, and that's what hot rodding is all about, right? Yeah, absolutely. So anyway, had a fun day. Beautiful weather out here in Minnesota, and we got a lot accomplished today. We actually unbuilt this hot rod in like a little over 3 hours. That's pretty cool. So yeah. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace and grease. We'll tighten that down.